how to fix Roblox not launching on your laptop or PC issue. If you are facing this issue and want to solve it, then first of all open any browser on your device. On the top you will see three dots, hit on that. From there select settings, and on the left you will see an option of privacy and security. Hit on that and go through the third party cookies. Now again scroll down and go through the see all site data, and on the searching bar search for Roblox and hit on the delete icon and again select delete button. Now open your Roblox account, and on the top you will see this icon. Hit on that and go through the site settings. From here make sure that JavaScript is allowed, and then again scroll down a little bit and again go through the USB device and make sure it is in ask. By doing all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.